So hello everyone, we're glad to be here to present our new machine. This machine is made to travel through time. Not through time, through dimensions. We're not to time yet.
It's true, we've always been stuck in 3 dimensions, and I personally wonder how the others look like.
So we're gonna try first to use this machine. We could start with dimension 1, for example. So let's go in the machine. Oh, that's weird. There's no up and down.
It's normal. We are objects of 1 dimension in a space of 1 dimension. So we only have a left and a right. We have no up, no down, no back, and no front.
Yeah, I can see that. We could try to cross each other.
Yeah, that could be fun. Oh,
ouch! That hurts. Shall we try faster?
Yeah, faster should do it.
That was a very good idea. What can we do?
Maybe we could add 1 dimension to the space.
Yeah, we could do that. Okay, so now we are a 1-dimensional object in a 2-dimensional space. I feel way better. Now I have an up and down.
We have up and down, left and right. So,
yeah,
our space.
True, okay, I'm gonna try to go up. Oh, and I'm changed in color.
Yeah, that's normal. That's the way the machine represents the fact that your position changed. Before, we were both on the same line, so we had the same color. Now, we are not on the same line, but we're in the same space. So, to show that, the machine painted you in blue.
Oh, okay. Shall we try to cross each other again?
Yeah, let's see if it works.
Oh, that's way better.
At least it didn't hurt.
Yeah, true.
Maybe we should go out. I'm feeling a bit squeezed. I can't feel my arms anymore.
You don't have arms here.
Yeah, right. Okay, so let's have a look at what happened before.
Yeah, let's play the video. So this is us before.
And here on the lower part of the screen, you can see our projections. That's the way someone would see us if instead of standing in the front, they would stand from above. They would see like just 2 shadows. And when we try to cross each other, the shadows would just go through each other like ghosts through a wall. So from one perspective, you see 2 distinct objects, but from the other perspective, you just see 2 objects going through each other.
That's interesting. Shall we try dimension 2?
Yeah, let's see how it looks like.
Oh, that's way better. We have left and right and up and down.
Yeah, we've got a bit more of space. Maybe we should try to cross each other again, see if it works.
Yeah? Ah! That was stupid. What can we do?
At 1 dimension, when we did that before, it worked. We had more space. Maybe if we try it again now?
Yeah, let's do that.
So now we're objects of dimension 2 in a space of dimension 3. But on the screen, you can only see our projections. Let's see what happens if we try to cross each other.
Okay, so we have left, right, up, down, and now I can go back. Let's try. Oh, well, that's better. At least we didn't hurt ourselves. So it seems like it worked. Oh, look what I found.
I've got one too.
Mine is better.
No, I think mine's way better.
Shall we try to compare them outside of the machine?
Yeah, right. Let's go ahead.
Wait, what?
But they're the same. How's that possible?
Oh yeah, look, if you look it from this perspective, you can all see a square. But if you look it that way...
This perspective...
Let me explain.
Oh, you're so annoying.
So, when we were inside the machine, you could only see a projection. So you saw a square that way, and a circle that way. But it was exactly the same object, a cylinder actually. Oh, thanks Laura, that's exactly what I wanted to say next. So, you all know what a knot is, right? You have shoes, your lace. So, that's a knot. You all know how to untie it, like this. But mathematician, we like to play it a bit harder. So we have a knot, but then we close the end of the rope, like this. And we wonder if it's possible to untie it without cutting the rope or without opening it here. It doesn't seem to be possible here. Well, at least in 3D. The thing is, if we had a four dimension in the space, which is not the case here, we only have 3 dimension, then we would be able to untie any knots with the 4th dimension. The 2 ropes would just go through each other like ghosts, exactly the same way we did before. You see our shadows went through each other, but we didn't touch ourselves. So if we had a 4th dimension here, which we can do with the machine, that's great. Well, we could untie these knots without, well, cutting the rope or anything. It's weird to imagine, right? What are you doing?
Well, if it's so easy, then untie yourself, smarty pants.
Well, then I'll just go in the machine.